Hi, friends. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, but I'm back and I'm hoping and praying that I will be able to be consistent and stay and continue to give you guys some great content. The reason I was away was because I had a big event that I was working on for about almost a year. I did a big expo. So, as you may know, I'm an event planner, and that's pretty much what I was working on. So, it took up a lot of my time. So, I really did not have time to bring you guys some more content, but I'm back. I have some free time until the next one. But maybe during that time and during the process, I can kind of bring you along that journey as the planning process continues. So, today I would like to talk about a few side hustles. So, I don't have a job anymore, a regular 9 to 5, so I have to keep myself, busy. So I have been self-employed. So I pretty much just do some side hustles. So one of the side hustles that I've been doing is Fiverr. And I must say, Fiverr has been good to me. So like I told you, I do event planning. So I pretty much do event planning for others. So if somebody has a wedding or if they have an event coming up and they need help, I do it. So I'm pretty much a virtual event planner for those that are out of state. So I've pretty much been working on that and also doing virtual assistant. And I must say that it has been pretty good. I will show you some of the progress. I don't know if I'll link it here. I don't know, but I'll put it up there, or maybe I'll just do a whole screen. But I'll put it up there just to show you guys that it is great. Like I love it. It's something that you can say a time frame for it can be one day, it could be up to a month. It's whatever time that you need, and you conversate with the client, and then you get your reviews. Hopefully you do a good job and you get your reviews. So I've got, I have 5 stars. So I enjoy it. So I would say Fiverr is a pretty good hustle, but you can do Fiverr. It doesn't have to be virtual assistant. It doesn't have to be event planning. You can pretty much do anything. If you're good with social media, you can do it for social media, helping others that, want to be able to, they don't have time to manage their social media pages. You can be their social media manager. Or you can be somebody that designed the post for them, like for social media, meaning Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, anything. So you could do that if you're good with that. If you're good with doing websites, you can make a website for somebody. Like they will pay you to do a website for them. If it's that, or if you do good if you can draw, you do artwork, it's limitless, pretty much. You can pretty much do anything and everything on there. Besides like handiwork, because you have to be in person. But if you're nearby and they need that, then you probably can do that as well. Getting back to Fiverr. So Fiverr, they just take a little percentage. Once you get paid, they take a little cut. It's not that bad. You'll see some people that only charge $5, but it depends. Charge your worth and your time. Definitely. If it's something that's going to take some time, you make sure you charge. But speaking of handiwork, so my next side hustle is Thumbtack. Thumbtack is a love-hate relationship. I say that because with Thumbtack, on the other hand, it's pretty much you pay before, and then it's pretty much like they're doing they're advertising you for somebody else. So you're pretty much paying for them to help get you the leads. Once they get the lead and you lock in, then you can charge whatever your price is. So with that, I do that as well for event planning. So if somebody looking for an event planner, then, I pay Thumbtack to get me some leads, and then, you work your magic from there, reaching out to them to go ahead and do that. So that's pretty much, Thumbtack is a love-hate, but it works. And I have received a lot of clients from there as well. So that's not bad. The next thing I would say, well, I don't do it anymore, but you know, I could. DoorDash. DoorDash, I kind of fell away from that because especially now with gas prices, bro, these gas prices are like ridiculous. Like, really, like it's you see how bad it is, and I can't even get the words out to express how bad it is. It's that bad. I can't. Wow, yeah, it's that bad. Like, I can't believe it. Not even gas. How about groceries? I go to the grocery store and I'm like, really? Like, that's how much we charging now? Oh, not even that. And I love Sakura, so I may not be saying it right. I think it's Sakura, Japan. I don't know. Whatever it is. It's like Japanese food. And it's like you get chicken, rice, and vegetables. But it's so good. It used to, I promise you, it used to cost like $5 and some change. They went up tremendously. It is now $8.19. Well, that goes to show you how much I love it because I know the exact price. But it used to be like $5 and some change. Then it went up to like maybe like $6 or something. But now it's $8.19. Do you hear me? $8.19. So prices has been like crazy nowadays. Like I'm just like still like stumped and it's just disbelief. But anywho, okay, back to DoorDash. So I haven't done that in a while, and especially now with the gas prices, I don't know if I would go back to doing that. So that's like I don't know, but it was lucrative when I was doing it. So, you know, I don't know. Another thing I do, I make t-shirts. I don't know if you can read this, but it's just a girl boss trying to build an empire. I don't know if you can see it, but I make t-shirts. So that's another side hustle that I do. I pretty much, in advertising that, I pretty much go on Facebook. Sometimes you go into groups. You can find groups in your state that, you know, people are looking for different things, and you pretty much just say, hey, you know, I make t-shirts if you're looking for t-shirts. So along the t-shirts, I also make custom wine glasses and mugs. So, you know, I will do the vinyl and put them on the wine glasses and the mugs. That is very good. A lot of people love those. And then I also make keychains out of resin. Those are a killer. Like, I make keychains with resin. I make hair clips. I make coasters. Those do well. And so what I do with that, speaking of another side hustle, is Etsy. So you can sell those items on Etsy. I don't sell them on Etsy. It's a lot of word of mouth. And then I do pop-up shops. And then we'll talk about pop-up shops on another video. But I do that a lot at pop-up shops. And lately I have been doing my own. I have partnered up with somebody. And we kind of like got together and collabed. And we do pop-ups. So we'll talk about that on another video. But so if you were to do something like that, you could sell it on Etsy. Now, I kind of like Etsy because I love waking up or just seeing my phones like, oh, you know, you have a sale. I'm like, oh, wow, somebody bought something. But I don't put those items, physical items, on Etsy yet, at least. What I do is I do digital downloads. So like I stated, I make t-shirts. So I might do some sayings or a design, and then I will put it on Etsy and upload it so other people can buy it as well. Like I had one Faithful with Fear that I made and I did, and I put that up on Etsy, and that does well. So I do the digital downloads, which is another good side hustle. Like, you just do it and then put it out there. And then we'll talk about that a little bit more in depth in another video also. But I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of, you know, what different side hustles that you can do that, especially with things that you love to do, that you can just go on those sites and pretty much do it. I will link the Fiverr and the Thumbtack on so that you can go ahead, if you don't already have it, and use those links to go ahead and get started so that you can start making you some little side money if you already have a 9-to-5. And then if you don't, then that's something that you can work on and build. And I promise you, it does well. They are something that will help put some extra money in your pocket for sure. So I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope you found it good. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and continue to watch. I promise I will try my very best to stay consistent and bring you more content. Until next time, have a great day. See you again. Toodaloo.